Hi everyone, this is John from 55. Today we will introduce 55's latest compact system on modules, the iCore-3576Q38. These powerful little modules pass an ARM-based RK3576 by rock chip. The size of these modules measures only 13 mm, almost the size of a cone. Board-to-board connections guarantee stable high-speed transmissions. Don't bother with soldering. You can just nail into your device, nails the modern tech requirements, tightly but mightily. The SoM is equipped with RK3576. This chip adopts ARM big little core design, 4 Cortex-A72 and 4 Cortex-A53. Frequency reach up to 2.2 GHz. At the same time, this module integrates multiple computing cores such as GPU, MCU, NPU, and VPU. The NPU comes with 6 TOPS computing power, powerful enough to handle most edge computing on terminal device. Common deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow, Caffe, T-Fly, PyTorch, ONNSNN are well supported. In addition to traditional convolution models, it also supports private deployment of mainstream large language models, such as Gemma, ChatGLM, and Qwen. Furthermore, its rich input and output connectivity enables operation for complex AI environments. In terms of image processing, the RK3576 features a next-generation 16-megapixel image signal processor, which is used to accelerate multiple algorithms. These include HDR, 3A, CAC, 3D&R, and 2D&R. Thanks to its powerful image processor and tiny size, the module is perfect for building smart, compact device. Smart drops, for example, easily plug these modules into your drone design, and it handles live video analysis, object detection, and obstacle avoidance. Great for farm checks, drone delivery, security patrol, or IPC camera. Another example is face capture cameras. With high computing power, is capable of finding and capturing face efficiently. Its small size allows for easy deployment in small space, like on light poles or walls, perfect for smart city construction. What's more, its industry-grade performance and efficiency unlock the voice applications, ranging from detecting equipment anomalies to predicting traffic patterns, from vision system to obstacle avoidance for robots and AGVs. These modules can precisely control end effector movements while handling path planning and edge AI decision making. For operating system, it supports Linux system, RT Linux real-time kernel, AMP multi-core heterogeneous, and Android 14. We provide SDK RKNN2 to accelerate the development and deployment of AI computation. We also provide baseboard reference design files such as schematic files and PCB files, and complete technical documentation enabling efficient secondary development. Furthermore, we will assist customers with mass production through OS porting, OS optimizations, and driver development, facilitating web project implementation. If you are interested in these modules, click the link in the description to purchase or inquire. As a special offer for our viewers, use promo code 555 at checkout to get your 5% discount on your first order. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insight. See you next time.